Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a little video on the Revolution, Makeup Revolution baking oil. You can see that, it's around the wrong way, isn't it? But it says, there you go, let's try that. Wow, it's baking oil. It's in a little glass bottle with a little squidgy lid pipette, but this is actually glass. It's all glass actually, but it is really nice. I think it was £6 from I purchased in the Superdrug store, and yeah, let's get on. It is I personally do really like it. It's a really nice oil. It's not a really greasy oil and it's not a really dry oil. It's kind of in between, if that makes sense. It smells very faint lemony, which is really pleasant. It's a really pleasant smell, and it's used for hydrating or prepping your makeup before you apply as a primer. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, it's really pleasant. You just drop a little, that's one little drop onto your skin, and then just rub it in. As you can see, it's not heavily greasy. It's quite pleasant. It's a pleasant. It feels quite moisturised. I don't know whether you can see there. It's quite shiny. Can you see that way? I don't know. No, but it is very pleasant. It's a lovely smell. Really pleasant, lovely smell. For a nice base for dry skin, like myself, I'm quite dry, so I'll apply that before I do my makeup, and it'll moisturise and leave a nice texture on the skin. So yeah, I do like it. £6, bit of a bargain for Makeup Revolution, but isn't everything. And yeah, I really enjoy it. So I hope you like that little video, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.